I'm Anthony Daley. I'm the engineering manager with Lenexa Manufacturing, and I'm going to be giving you an overview of our newest AL19 autoloader, which consists of 4 parts: an indexer, a slicer section, a stacker, and the bagger. If you follow me this way, we'll give you an overview. All right, so now I'm going to give you an overview of our machine. We're going to talk about our 4 sections. We'll start with our indexer with our bun slide. As the product comes down, we can divert into specific lanes, which are adjustable left and right here. Adjustable lane guides, automated brake and automated gates. We have an adjustable brake, which we can move forward or backward based on what product we're running. Onto our slicer section, we have our hinge slicer. We have pressure table adjustment, blade height adjustment, and blade location adjustment. We move to our dual band slicer, which can function as a dual band, a single band, or we can put it into bypass mode. We move to our third area of the machine, which is our stacker. This is where we place product on top of one another. We do that by way of a servo mechanical stacking system. Here is our lane guide adjustment for our infeed. We're able to rotate this and change it based on our product width. We move to our HMI station, where we have a panel view with all of our different safeties, our recipes, and all of our machine settings. Simple push button controls. We then move to the heart of the machine. This is the bagging portion of the machine. This is where a bag inflates and product is pushed into a bag. We have adjustable tuckers based on our product width. All guards that are able to be moved all have safeties. We have RFID safeties. We have a 4-position rotary bag table that is servo controlled, along with an outfeed conveyor that is both adjustable on length and speed. And that moves us on to our crossfeed conveyor. This is where the product will actually be sealed, whether with a Burford or a quick lock machine. So while this machine may seem complicated or daunting to some, know that its operation is actually quite simplistic. We make customer-driven recipes and setup procedures for all of our different product configurations, and know that we have a great customer support staff to be able to help you overcome any issues and make sure that you are successful with our machine.